Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Today we are going to be unboxing and giving our opinion on this Synorla brand office chair. I will be putting the link in the description box below. We're going to be setting it up. I know a lot of people are annoyed when they have to assemble stuff, but this is so easy. Even my daughter could have done it by herself. The only thing is she would have needed help with the back, to attach the back to the seating portion, as well as the tightening of the screws. The screws came inside here, and then the Allen key. I love the Allen key because it has that little handle, and then of course it has your manual. All the parts came into their own little bubble wrap, which we're gonna save for ASMR. We're gonna start by setting up the base. So the base has 5 legs, and then we're gonna be adding screws to tighten. Next, we're going to snap in our wheels. All right, you guys, back into the manual. We are going to be adding this to the base. Everything is labeled on here, so when I tell you it's easy, it's pretty easy. So we're gonna add this to our base, like so, and that is that. Next, we're going to be adding the arms to the back portion. Be sure to kind of bend your arms a little, because if you don't, then it's gonna appear to not want to fit. So we're gonna add the screws to the back side, like so. All right, next we are going to add these little caps to cover the screws so that it has a beautiful finish. So I'm just gonna snap those in. And the next step is to affix the back to the seat. And you guys, this actually came with a pair of gloves, but like, I don't think these gloves are going to prevent any damage. You could probably use it for a praise dance or something, but yeah, they weren't needed. Anyway, back to the business. Let's finish this, you guys. We're almost done. All right, when you're assembling this section, you want to make sure that you try the screws in there before you actually tighten them all. So put them in, like put 2 in at a time, just to kind of make sure that they fit. All right, we're gonna do the same thing when it comes on to, this is labeled, so this portion, the part that says front, goes toward the front, and you want to make sure that you are aligning properly before you tighten any of your screws, okay? Okay, we have that attached. Now we're gonna put the chair onto that to sit. All right, here we go. Okay, we are all set, and that is it, you guys. We received this about 2 weeks ago, and I like to at least have the products for a while in order to give a good review. And so we've had it for a little bit. We're now all set up to rock and roll. We love it so far. The seating is comfortable. It is lightweight, and so it's breathable. You can adjust the chair to the height of your liking. All right, let's jump over to Amazon real quickly to kind of just look at some specs of this chair. I will be putting the link in the description box below so you can go over and grab one for yourself. Less than $150. Plus, there is a coupon that you can clip in order to receive a discount.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.